PPTX. Select Scan First tab. Select Enable Continuous Scanning and Scans in Full Auto Mode as off. Click on Scanner Settings. Select the type of color mode according to your requirements to color, black and white, grayscale. Select the page size if specified or leave it as Match Original Size. Select the resolution on which you want to scan. Select the scanning site to simplex, duplex or skip blank page. Ensure the Automatically Straighten Skewed Images is selected on to straighten up the skewed images. Now press Start button. After your document is scanned, press Next Step button. Select the output method to save to folder if you want to save it on your PC. Select dialog box of the file name as on. Give a file name to the scanned documents. Select the file format to PPTX and select the location where you want to save the document. And lastly, click on Save. This format helps you save in PPTX mode. Click on Open Storage folder to check the scanned file in PPT format. Click on Return to Top to return back to the main screen.